There, Rebecca, Tom here again from Budget and Kilburn Cars in MANUKAU. Thank you for your email inquiry in regards to our Mazda Atenza we have here for you. Looking pretty sick on the wheels. They are massive and it looks like you've got near new tyres, if not brand new tyres, in all four corners. Now what size are these bad boys? 20 inch, Jesus. Anyway, just under 70,000 Ks, 6 airbags, so a bit of a safety pack there as well, with cruise control and reversing camera, keyless entry, push button start, rear tinted windows as well. Now the interior, looking in there because it is all locked up, is definitely cloth, not leather interior. You've also got the dual climate control as well. Pretty nice and tidy. Got a nice body kit on there also. Nice protective chrome film over there. There's your reversing camera. The Ken style body kit, yes, they are pretty well known, actually pretty awesome too. Any questions, give us a call. We're open today until 5:30, open tomorrow and Saturday from 9 to 5:30, and Sunday from 10 AM until 4 PM. And we've been doing this for decades, so definitely can and will look after you. All the best, take care and keep on. We've got plenty of others in stock as well. Okay, mate, take care, see ya.